In this episode, a rugged pickup is rebuilt with adaptive air suspension, carbon fiber panels, and a turbocharged V8 to chase speed with precision. Engineers explain how active suspension reads terrain in real time, while telemetry from the dyno guides the raid course. An interview with a veteran wrench covers heat, vibration, and fitment hurdles during mid-build trials. A designer discusses braking upgrades and aero tweaks that balance speed with reliability as the truck tackles a muddy obstacle course. The finale reveals outcomes from 0-60 gains to durability tests, plus tips for DIYers chasing extreme makeovers.